Hi, and welcome to this quick 10-minute, all-standing, osteoporosis-friendly, full-body strength training routine. I'm using a set of 5-pound dumbbells. Always start lighter, maybe 2 or 3 pounds. Work your way up as you get stronger. There's no warm-up designated for this workout because it's just 10 minutes, so go ahead and click above here to make sure that you are nice and warm before doing this workout. Same thing at the end, no cool down, but I will link a video below after this video rolls. We have 45 seconds for each move, 15-second break, and I'll demonstrate the next move within that break. So we're gonna get right into it. Grab your weights. First move, palms are up. We're gonna punch forward, twisting, and then pull it back. Forward, pull it back. Just alternating sides. This workout's great for, almost everyone. Again, osteoporosis friendly just means that there's no rounding of the back or the spine, no twisting. Great for building muscle and bone density. Let's get one more in. Nice work. Weights are going to be at our chest. Toes are facing me. We step out into a squat and then step in, step out, step in. So like a little traveling side to side squat here. And with squats, you do you. You don't have to go down far, but they are a crucial functional movement. Big steps, sink the hips down, come in, little baby bend. Push up through the heels. You got it. 10 more seconds. And break. Going back to the upper body, we're going to keep our weights pressed together. Bicep curl over one shoulder, come down, and over the other shoulder. Slow and controlled. So try not to use momentum. And then by pushing those weights together, we're also working the chest muscles. Side to side. If the 2 weights are too much, you can always use one weight and hold the ends. Try to make my workouts your own. Everybody's different. Combination move. Next, we're coming into a second position plie here. So legs are nice and wide, toes out to the side in line with the knees. And we're going to come down into a plie. One heel lift, put it down, come back up and down. Spine is straight here. We're not hinged forward. If you want add a little extra, weights can come down, bicep hammer curl with that heel. Woo! 10-minute workout, but we're going to pack a lot in. So again, heel and bicep curl. Totally optional. So good for the inner thighs. Walk those feet in, come to a staggered stance. Left leg back, right leg forward. Combination move here again. Up on the back toe, we come down, lift the elbows, then a tricep kickback, release, then come up. Hinge forward, weight in that front foot, straight spine. Lift the elbows into a row, kick back, Lower the weights and then lift. You should be feeling it in that front glute. Straight line from the crown of our head to the tailbone. Same thing other side. Make sure you switch sides. Up on that back toe. Hinging forward from the waist. Again, shoulders down and back. We lift into that row. Straighten, bend, release, and come up. You got it. Nice job, my friends. One more. And shake that out. Okay, let's work the shoulders. Hands start here at the waist. Right arm comes down. We cross the body. We come up to a 90-degree press overhead. Halfway down and cross again. I like to call this one the seat belt. It's like we're grabbing the seat belt. We cross and we buckle. Release, let's switch sides. We cross up. Keep that elbow high. Last one. Okay, big step back, alternating lunges here, or just a big step back, bending the front leg, straightening the back. Again, a hinge forward position with a high pull, and we switch. So join me. We step back. Palms are facing to the back. Come up. Switching feet. Again, front leg bent, back leg straight. And come up. Navel pulled into the spine, so we protect that lower back. We do want to get to that hinged over position. That way we're working the back muscles and not the shoulders. Nice work. Just 2 more moves. We're going to, again, another combination move, an L. So one arm to the front, one arm to the side, upright row, and then we switch sides. Let's go. Together. An L. And the upright row, weights stay close to the body. Small bend in the knees. Hello, shoulders. Slow and controlled. Try not to swing them here. Okay, last move. Coming back into that hinged position, Romanian deadlift. We come down, straight arms lift behind. So we're gonna lift, 2, 3, then come up. Hinge forward, weight stay close. Then we lift, 2, 3, lift up and down, up, Elbows are as straight as you can get them. We're working a little more into the triceps to finish strong here. Go at your own pace and breathe. And we are done. Nice work. Put your weights down, shake it out, grab some water, and like I said, make sure that you stretch out. Go ahead and click on the stretching video that I've linked below. See you next time.